Down here in the garden, I just got through harvesting some cucumbers, and I thought it'd be interesting to do a taste test. I got 4 different kinds. I got Speedway, Courtine, Market More, and homegrown. So I haven't grown Market More in about, I can't remember, maybe 20 years. So be interesting to see. Now this is the Speedway. So this is one of my standards, and we're gonna see which one tastes best. Got a good flavor, got a lot of moisture to it, good and tender. That was the Speedway. Now, I'm gonna say this, I've said this I don't know how many times, but I do not like cucumbers at a restaurant, on my salad, or anything like that. But out here in the garden, when you first pick them up and eat them, they are delicious for some reason. It's like electrolyte. So this is the carotene, and these are seeds that I had left over from last year. They didn't have a seeds for them this year, and I had a crop failure. But luckily I had some, and this is generally my favorite one. So, Courtine. It's hard to beat that. Tender, it's got kind of a sweet taste to it. Got a little bit of crunch to it. Got some good moisture. It's gonna be hard to beat. All right, this is a homegrown, and this is a new pickler I'm trying. This is pretty good. So let's see what this tastes like. Now I just picked these, just 5 minutes ago. My bees are down here in these homegrown ones now. This is I probably got maybe 10 harvested, 10 of these. But there's a ton of blooms in there, and them bees are in there heavy. Boy, it's getting mad. So anyway, enough of that. Let's see what it tastes like. Mild flavor. Really crunchy. Pretty good. This is why this is called homegrown. I bet these are really good in pickles. All right, last one is the Market More. Well, I dropped that piece. And I haven't grown these. I used to grow them a lot, but it's my least favorite. Try another one. Tastes good, but it's kind of bland compared to the other 3. This is my least favorite. All right, so this is number 4, Market More. I like the crunch of this one, but it has just a little bit. It's really crunchy. Crunchy. I'm really surprised. Got good flavor. It's mild. Huh. This is better. This got a sweeter taste than this one, but this one's good. So let's see what this one. This is the Speedway. Speedway's delicious. Okay, I'm gonna go. Still, this is my favorite. Courtine. These 2 are tied. They're different flavors. Yeah, different flavors, but I really like the crunch of these, so I'm looking forward to these because I'm gonna make me a bunch of pickles. Usually I sell everything out. I end up not having any pickles for the year. That's the ticket right there for pickles. That's gonna be the ticket. I'm gonna set some more of these out. I got 3 more varieties coming in. They'll be probably a couple weeks away. These have got a ton of blooms on them, and the bees are in there heavy. So we get a little rain, these will come on. I really like this pickle. I like the Speedway. Yeah, that's what I'm going. Quarantine #1, Speedway, and the homemade tied at 2. Market Moore is my least favorite. This is the Market Moore. I mean, it's edible. It's a good pick. It's a good cucumber, but compared to the other two now. And I was given these seeds as part of the Survivor Seeds collab, and I mean, it's an old variety. And you know, somebody might like these. Yeah, I can't even hold a candle to the Speedway. This is a slicer. The Speedway's a slicer. This is a pickler. The homemade's a pickler. But all right, that's it. Quarantine, the homemade, and the Speedway is my 2. I like those really well. Market More. So far, they're my last, and we'll compare them. Well, the other 3 come in, and we'll try them. And I think I got 3 more varieties. I'm gonna probably be planting next week. So when they all come in, we'll see which one we like best. All right, appreciate you watching. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down at the farm next video.